Hi everybody, it's Connie from the Danville Public Library. In our earlier video, we read a Curious George book and we told you where to pick up your Curious George craft on the west side of our building. And now we're going to do something else with Curious George. We're going to make a snack, okay? And you know Curious George loves what? Bananas. Oh, of course he does. So, I just have a little bitty cupcake liner, and I'm going to take that, and I'm going to put a vanilla cookie right here, and then I have vanilla pudding. I'm going to put that on top. Ooh, that looks good. And then I am going to, with my handy dandy plastic knife, I'm going to cut myself a slice of banana, and I'm going to put that on top. So with your vanilla wafer on the bottom, then your vanilla pudding in the middle, and then your banana on top, you have a banana snack, and it's really, really good. And you could also make it a different way. You could put your vanilla wafer on the bottom, and then your banana, and then your pudding. So these are things that you probably have at home, and you can make your little Curious George banana snack. Thank you guys. We miss you. See you soon.